Hi guys, my name is Marina, I'm first grade and this is my video of the talent show homework, and I will try to show to you guys me speaking in English and fashion drawing. So the first step that I always do is to search on Pinterest some pics that I like so I can get some ideas before I start to drawing like this. So as you guys can see, I printed the photos that I like and I want to draw, and now I'm cutting to put in my sketchbook. So sketchbooks are very important to put together all your inspirations and create your own idea. I was thinking about something with butterflies and blue. So here I'm painting with blue and this color because maybe I will use these materials on my drawing. And I'm speaking in English because I like English, so I thought it would be cool to show to you guys that I'm trying to learn English, and it's like a talent to learn a new language. So now that I finished my inspiration board, I'm going to start the drawing. So I'm doing like a straight line in the middle of the paper, then a circle to be the head, then another line to be the shoulders. And that's it. I hope you guys liked my video, and thank you. Bye.